This month, we are giving out over 80,000 Naira worth of gadgets for free. And we have something for everyone, from earpods to this smartwatch, a stylus pen for artists, all the way up to this video making kit that comes with a mic, light, and tripod stand. And here's how you can win one of these for yourself, absolutely free. We'll be doing a giveaway towards the end of September, and all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to GADGETMINE with notifications turned on, so you get an alert once we go live. Then you can join in and win. It's very easy. I'll also be dropping a bonus tip in the comments, and while you're there, let me know which one of these devices would you want for yourself? Which one would you like to win?